Alright, in this video we're going to go over levels. Now, levels, if you don't know exactly what to do with a project, levels should be the first go-to. If there's not an obvious color cast issue, or if I don't tell you change the color of a certain part of this image, then levels should be the first thing that you do to really try and resolve any issues, to see if there are actually any issues. So up here in the adjustments layer, we're going to find your little levels tab and click on it, and you have an adjustment layer pops down on the layers, and that is your levels. Now up here you have the histogram, and very briefly and as basically as I can explain, a histogram displays exactly where all the colors exist inside the image, from your darks to your lights. So it's 255 channels. So this is the 0 channel all the way to the 255th channel up here, which is your absolute white. And as you can see, we've got this very large mountain here in the darks to mid-range, and then after we get past this middle gray, all of a sudden it just tapers off and disappears. That tells you that basically the image is only using this many channels, and it's still trying to reference this white point. And before we do any editing, you need to understand that it divides it into 3 channels: red, green, and blue. And you can select any of these channels to see exactly how the reds are distributed, how the greens are distributed, and how blue is distributed. And this is one of the simplest adjustments, because all you have to do is wherever there is this valley, there's just basically no pixel information, you click on the point. So if it was reversed, you would click on the black and drag it over to where this mountain actually starts. But here we're going to click on the white, move it over, and I'm going to move it right here, and you do it for each individual channel. Move it over, and then to green, move it on over. And there you go. You can actually see a massive difference between the two images. This one is remarkably brighter, the colors look crisper, and just switching it off and on, you can actually see the difference. So levels really should be the first go-to adjustment for virtually any images. Even if you think the image has proper exposure and such, I would use levels, see if you can improve the overall quality of that image.